Whether you are a frequent trader or a buy and hold investor, you'll need a wallet to trade crypto. A crypto wallet is a tool that you can use to interact with a blockchain network. Contrary to popular belief, crypto wallets don't truly store digital assets. Instead, they provide the tools required to interact with a blockchain. In other words, these wallets can generate the necessary information to send and receive cryptocurrency via blockchain transactions. Such information includes, but is not limited to, one or more pairs of public and private keys. You may recall from our Blockchain Fundamentals course that public and private keys allow you to send and receive crypto without requiring a third party to verify the transactions. Your crypto wallet also generates an address, which is an alphanumeric identifier that is created based on the public and private keys. In essence, such an address is a specific location on the blockchain records to which tokens can be sent. This means you can share your wallet address with others to receive funds, but you should never disclose your private key to anyone. The private key gives access to your crypto, regardless of which wallet you use. Even if your computer gets compromised, you can still access your funds on another device as long as you have the private key. There are many types of crypto wallets. Depending on their working mechanisms, they can be categorized as hot or cold wallets. A hot wallet is any wallet that is connected to the internet. For example, when you create an account on a centralized crypto exchange and send funds to the wallets, you are depositing into the exchange's hot wallets. These wallets are easy to set up, generally requiring no more than downloading software and creating an account. The funds are quickly accessible, making them convenient for new users and frequent traders. Cold wallets, on the other hand, have no connection to the internet. Instead, they use a physical medium to store the keys offline, making them resistant to online hacking attempts. Cold wallets tend to be much safer for storing your coins and are particularly suitable for buy and hold investors. Another way to categorize wallets is to break them into software and hardware wallets. Most software wallets are hot wallets and can be further broken down into web wallets, desktop wallets, and mobile wallets, depending on where you access them. Hardware wallets are physical, electronic devices that use a random number generator to generate public and private keys. The keys are then stored in the device itself, which isn't connected to the internet. As such, hardware storage constitutes a type of cold wallet and is deemed as one of the most secure wallets, but they require some expertise and are less user-friendly. You should consider using a hardware wallet if you plan to hold your crypto for a long time, or if you're holding large amounts of crypto. With so many types of crypto wallets available, which one should you use? There is no definite answer. If you are a frequent trader, using a web wallet allows you to quickly access your funds and trade conveniently. However, if you like to buy and hold a large quantity of crypto, cold wallets may be better alternatives. No matter which crypto wallets you use, you should always keep the security of your crypto as your top priority. If you lose your private key, you lose access to your funds. If someone else obtains your key, they can spend those funds. Keeping your private key away from prying eyes, but in a way that you will not forget, is of paramount importance, as losing your crypto is permanent in the vast majority of cases.